heard you speak through the static haze. Just one word and I lost my way. Sweet as sin, sharp as glass. Your echo lives where nothing lasts. I feed on sound, I chase the tone. Your syllables cut straight to bone. No melody, just need an ache. A hunger I can't bear to fake. Your voice like hunger crawls under my skin. Whispers low thunder pulls me back in. I crave the sound, I starve in silence. Your voice, my violence. You speak and I unravel clean, like sugar